Here's how to fix the Share My Location issue if it's not working on your iPhone. If you're in the Messages or Find My app, and you tap on Share My Location, but it's not working or grayed out, here's what to do. First, open your Settings app and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap on it, then select Location Services at the top. Make sure that Location Services is turned on. After that, scroll down and find the Find My app in the list. Tap on it and ensure that location access is set to while using the app, and precise location is enabled. Next, go back and scroll down to System Services. Midway down, you'll see Find My iPhone. Make sure it's turned on. This is important because it allows your system to share your precise location. If that doesn't fix the issue, head back to Settings, then tap on Screen Time, scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is enabled, check to see if Location Services is turned off. If so, toggle it off to allow location sharing. Afterward, go back to Settings, tap General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Location and Privacy. You may be asked to enter your passcode. This will reset your location settings to the default, which should help resolve the issue. Finally, if it's still not working, try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes turning your phone off and on can clear up bugs and glitches, especially if your phone hasn't been restarted in a while. I hope this guide helps. If it did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips.